Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about the difference between carpet and hardwood floors. Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about carpet. And we're talking about how is carpet covered when it comes to flood insurance. Now, whether it's the National Flood Insurance Program or it's a private policy. Remember, this is just generally, so there could be some exceptions, but today we're going to talk about how your carpet is covered on your flood insurance. So when it comes to carpet being covered under building or contents, we get this question all the time from insurance agents, property owners, realtors. Hey, is carpet covered under the building coverage or is it covered under contents coverage? It causes some mass confusion. So let's help settle this debate today. So, which one is it? Is it building? Or is it contents? Well, it depends on how the carpet is installed and what it is installed on. So if you have carpet that is installed on unfinished flooring underneath, then it should be covered under your building coverage. However, if you have carpet that is installed on finished flooring, it should be covered under your contents coverage. Now, this could be a major player when it comes to things like basements. Because, coverages are very limited when it comes to basements. And so if you have carpet that is put in on finished flooring in a basement, probably not going to have any coverage at all. You might be able to get some coverage, though, if it is installed on unfinished flooring. Today we're talking about hardwood floors. We've talked about carpet in the past. Today we want to talk about how these hardwood floors might be covered on your flood insurance policy. See, it's a question we get very often. Hey, how are my hardwood floors going to be covered? Are they going to be replaced? There's a lot of different questions here. You know what? A lot of it depends on where they are located. So you can see from where I'm at right here, I'm upstairs on a second floor. So getting coverage on your hardwood floors could be much easier here than compared to maybe down in the basement below grade. Because remember, when we're talking about basements, coverages are very limited, especially when it comes to things like finished basements. Generally, for these hardwood floors to be covered, you're going to have to be above grade, whether it's with the National Flood Insurance Program policy or a private policy. Now, there could be some private carriers that cover these below grade, but it's very rare. So this is how hardwood floors are covered. So you want to make sure that when you're setting up your flood insurance policy, that you understand exactly how coverage for your hardwood floors is going to pay out. Because when you have a claim, it's not the time to find out you don't have the coverage you need, or you can't replace these floors. You have to put carpet in instead, and now you've possibly hurt the value of your home. So this is how coverage for hardwood floors works. So if you've got questions about hardwood floors or anything flood insurance related, understanding your flood risks, make sure to click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we're here to help you understand your flood risks, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.